Crystal reported 31, Blaine reported 32, and Lake Elmo reported 32. Across the rest of Minnesota, at International Falls, snow was falling with a temperature of 27. At Rochester, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 33. It was cloudy with a temperature of 28 at Mankato, 31 at St. Cloud, 31 at Brainerd, and 33 at Duluth. Under cloudy skies, Bemidji reported 27, Hibbing reported 31, Alexandria reported 27, and Marshall reported 28. Around Wisconsin, at Wausau, fog was reported with a temperature of 38. It was cloudy with a temperature of 34 at Eau Claire, 32 at Osceola, 32 at Rice Lake, and 42 at Madison. Under cloudy skies, Green Bay reported 38, Milwaukee reported 45, and La Crosse reported 45. Across the eastern Dakotas, skies ranged from partly sunny to cloudy. It was 28 at Fargo, 23 at Watertown, and 28 at Sioux Falls. In Iowa, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 35 at Sioux City and
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota, has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
now the forecast.